been in every puddle, every inch of dirt. I'm rich and poor and so much more, quick and fast and built to last. I run to you, I run from you, I cannot stay away. The sharpened color stings my eyes, I cannot keep away. Red and brown and green and blue, white and black and...
The Maltese Islands are a hotbed for creativity and arts. At the center of the Mediterranean and a busy hub to travel between Africa and Europe, it's no wonder that the local music scene flourishes with new and exciting bands. One such band is nosnow, noalps. Founded in 2007, nosnow, noalps have been at the summit of the local charts and on main stages in Malta and Europe, including Copenhagen and Austria. This evening, nosnow, noalps are playing live at Noise at Pulitos Go Zone.
Stubborn little creature, won't you make up your mind? Why keep pretending that everything's alright when you know we have been manipulated all our lives? You must realize. So open your mind and open your eyes. This is the time for a new reality. I will survive together with you. We will be free from all humanity. Together we will grow. Our love chain stronger than we used to be. Together we will grow. Our love chain better than the ones before me. I know that it is about time to start. A new day has come, and you're out of sight. You must realize.
Nosnow, noalps, I welcome you to Island Unplugged. Is the myth that you guys met on the Alps true?
Yeah, it's actually true. We met on the Alps while we were trying to climb Mount Blanc. What the hell? No,
You don't
no.
remember the name anymore.
I don't know. I'm so bad in geography. What's the name? Okay.
Yeah, and well, we came back.
Yeah, and then we were trying to look for Bigfoot. No. No, then we decided to join a band, and since we met on the Alps, I mean, that was the obvious name to give the band.
What was the highlight of your experience recording the album Romantic Politic?
The experience was great. We worked with our friend and producer David Vella of Temple Studios, and I mean, after nearly 2 years of writing songs in a very smelly garage in Marsa, we finally came out with this product that we're very happy about. I don't know if you want to add anything.
No, I mean, the experience was great, mainly thanks to David. Has a great studio, and he's a great guy. I mean, so it was pretty much fun.
There were loads of highs and lows. I mean, we had a lot of fights getting to the place that we got, but we're very happy with arguments, exactly. But no, we're very happy with the product. I mean, all in all, really good.
What can I add? Like, it was great. It was great.
Together we will grow. Our love chain better than the ones before me.
Is there any social messages in the songs?
Yeah, as such, the album has a lot of different topics. We believe that politics is everywhere around you, you know, it's not just in the parliament, and I mean, your life is like a political journey somehow. So we wanted to take that element and like look at it more of a romantic way kind of thing, you know. So
Yeah, in the sense that relationships between people and how they affect their lives, and even in a way they affect politics. That's how what the album looks at.
Now we can only say it like we have done before. It's a part of all the things that makes us feel.
So now I'm gonna fire some quick questions. Just one answer will do, okay? Oasis or Blur?
Blur, for sure. I'm gonna go see them in London.
I like Oasis.
Blur, full stop. Blur, full stop.
Zappa or Hendrix?
Hard one, but I think I have to go with Hendrix.
I have to go with Zappa.
Hendrix.
Zappa.
Sheryl Crow or Alanis Morissette?
Alanis Morissette.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure. I like Sheryl Crow as well. Yeah. She's. But listen, I'm looking from another perspective as well.
Oh no. Watch out.
What was that look?
No, sorry, I can't really answer that question.
Guys, thank you for joining us tonight. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we have. Until next time, lots of love from Gozo.